Hi guys, good morning. We've had a card today for a package to be collected from the collections office on Avenida Europa. So me and Marcus are just off to go and see what it is. So we're going down now to go and pick it up, and once we've collected it we'll be able to show you what it is. So we'll be back with you shortly. Hi guys, so as you can see we've picked up the package. So we don't know what's in it yet. We'll have a look when we get back. So I'll see you again soon. Hi guys, welcome back. As I said, when I got back home I'll do another little video of the opening of the box. We have it back here safely. I think I know what it is, but let's open it up and see if I'm correct. So here's my knife. Are you ready guys? All excitement. Then guys, so we have the box open, packaging there, can you see? So let's see what's in it. And yes, it is what we thought it was. It's a box from the UK that one of our live stream YouTube viewers offered to send some items back from the UK. So thank you very much, Anne J. Jones and JJ Jones, very kind of you. The box has arrived safely and amazingly in just over a week and a half. So let's have a look. We have some Fry's Turkish Delight that I was saying that I hadn't seen over here. Maybe you can get it, but chocolate, like your English chocolate, can be a bit more expensive here. So, yum yum. We also have a tin of corned beef, because over here in Spain, in our local supermarkets, this would be around €4.85. I have seen it at more, over €5, which to me seems a lot for corned beef. So thanks for that, Anne. It'll be nice on sandwiches later on. And we have some options. Hot chocolate. We have a salted caramel. You see that, gang? Because I was saying that I couldn't get the flavoured hot chocolate over here. So I have that. And also, I've been craving white hot chocolate. I hadn't seen it anywhere over here. So Anna's managed to find that for me as well and sent me some white hot chocolate. So that'll be really nice later on. I shall be drinking that. So very delicious. Thank you, Anne. And oh, in the bottom is a little note. We'll just move the box out the way. I'll read this little note out to you.
Is that the bill, sir?
Probably. Says, to Sue, Mike and Marcus, here are the treats we promised you all. Sit back and enjoy a little of what you have been missing. And that's from Anne and JJ Jones. So thanks so much for that.
Yeah, thanks very much, guys.
Appreciated.
Really appreciate it.
Yeah, and Marcus said thank you as well. Be on the hot chocolate as well later on, I dare say. So thanks very much, really kind of you. So we'll end this little video now.
Hang on, I'm just going to show them what we've got. If I can remember how to use a camera, of course. See if we can zoom in on that a bit. Not used to doing these inside ones,
No.
guys.
There was sorry Anne, there was a couple of other little bits in the box, but unfortunately I can't really show that on the video.
Yeah, you're back on camera, so.
So thanks very much guys, and we'll end the video there. Goodbye.
Thanks.
Thanks, goodbye.